Alright, now when you get a major update on the Galaxy Watch, you might notice that the watch has started stuttering a bit, lagging a bit, or there could be some other issue on your watch. Now recently we got the One UI Watch 8 update on the Galaxy Watch 6 series, and we did notice there was some stutter on the watch while opening the quick panel, opening applications, quick tiles, etc. And you guys wanted to know if there is a solution for this. What can we do after the update to make the watch work better? Now for this, yes, we do have a solution, and in today's video we are going to discuss exactly the same. Now this is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic I've got here, Bluetooth variant. I have received the One UI Watch 8 update, and the watch is stuttering and lagging a little bit, especially while opening the quick panel and the applications and the tiles as well. Now to make this work better, you need to do three things. One is wipe cache partition, and the second one is pretty basic, clear the cache on the watch itself, and third one is clearing cache on the applications. Now first, let's see how to clear cache partition. All you need to do is just press and hold on both these buttons on the watch until it shows the Samsung logo here. Now it's showing the Samsung logo. Now just keep pressing the button here on the top. You can see now it has entered into a different mode. You'll be able to notice this menu on your watch. You can navigate this using these buttons. We've got options like continue, recovery, download, and power off. Now let's select recovery mode. I will press and hold on this. As you can see, now we have entered into this menu option. We have got the reboot system now, apply update from ADB, etc. Now here we need to select wipe cache partition. There we go. I've just selected the wipe cache partition here. Now I will select this. Now here we have to confirm this. It is asking wipe cache. This cannot be undone. Now I will select yes. And here we go. It just took a few seconds to clear the cache. Now reboot system now option is there. You can select that option. Just press this and the watch will reboot. Now the watch should feel better and work better. That's the first thing that you need to do. Now doing this will not wipe any data on your watch, so you don't have to worry about it. You can go ahead and wipe the cache partition. Now let's move on to the second one. This is going to be very basic. Go to the settings option and scroll down. Here we have got device care. Tap on that. Scroll down again. And here you can see it is showing me 665 MB available and reserved is 189 MB and 1.1 GB is used. Just scroll down. Now here it is asking me to clean 315 MB of memory. As you can see, there are many applications which are running in the background even though you may not be using them. So let's go ahead and clean this now. Now we have got 701 MB available. Now we have got slightly more memory available. So make sure you do this. The third thing that you need to do is you can clear the cache on different applications, the system applications and other third-party applications that you're using. For that, all you need to do is just go to settings, tap on applications, and here we have got the app list. Here you can see we have got all these applications. Now let's say, for example, let's go to Google Assistant. Here you can see Google Assistant is using about 2.01 MB of cache data. Scroll all the way down, tap on clear cache. Likewise, we can clear cache for various different applications on the watch. So you can go ahead and do that as well. So that might also help. So these are the three things which you can try and make the watch work better, especially after you upgrade your watch to a specific update. If you've got any other additional tips to make your watch work faster, do share it in the comment section. That will help the community. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I've already posted a video about the One UI Watch 8 for the Galaxy Watch 6 series as well as the Galaxy Watch 7 series. If you missed them, you can check out the channel. That's all I want to share with you guys in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Do not forget to hit the like button if you find this video informative. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.